So this little kit is so cute, and it came with stuff to hang pictures, came with all of the bits that you need, scissors, this little spackle scraper thingy, a leveler, which is so cute because it's pink. Hello. It goes back easier than that. It's just not pretty doing it with one hand. Let's see what else did it come with. These little hexagon things. I think those go here. Little hexagon things, more drill bits, wrench, real super cute. Fits right into my hand, so it'll be comfortable. Oh look, is it already charged? That's what I was hoping. I opened it so I could charge it so I could use it later, but it looks like it might be charged for me. Okay, professional tape. That's pretty cool. And I don't know why I'm lost for words today. Box cutter, yeah. Measuring tape and a cute little pink hammer. So yeah, this is super cute. And the case, I don't know if I can close it with one hand. Let's try. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Okay. Case came super cute. It came plastic wrapped. And close it like this. And now you can tote it wherever you need it to go or store it. Pretty cool. I like it. And it's pink. Comes with what you need to put pictures up, pliers, scissors, a level. I love this right here. My drill is charging right now. Tape. It's a great deal.